Hi, I'm Garrett House, and this is my bike. Here we have some Odyssey pedals. They help my feet stick to the pedals. And this is, I don't know what kind of frame this is. I found it. This is a G-Sport wheel with a Federal Free Coaster that I stole from Skylar's house. Thanks, Skylar. These are his cranks too. They're some very used Odyssey wall bolts. This is a Animal Pivotal that I got for breaking my ankle at the hibernation contest. These are Odyssey stems. They slip really bad and I wouldn't recommend them to anybody. And these are some Chilco bars. He's an Edmonton kid that has really big shoulders. I don't know what kind of forks these are. Found them in the alley behind my house. They work alright though. And it's my front wheel. It helps me go. Alright, I'll see you guys around the block. Okay, this is my sister's bike. Purple. I don't really know anything about it because it's my sister's, but it works okay and I do tricks on it, so I'm going to call in. That was my bike check.